Hi everyone, good evening. You have to find yourself in one of these two groups. One group is interns or freshly finished interns who are going to be starting off. So either you are starting afresh or you are restarting. I think you have had enough time to decide, but you are still confused. Draw a deadline till tomorrow and in simple terms ask yourself, can I do better? So first of all, the name BTR is Buri Tarah Rato. What I want to tell you in one bottom line about Buri Tarah Rato is it is not Buri Tarah Rato. Okay, there is a lot of concepts, a lot of understanding which go into it. There are concepts, there are facts. Concepts समझ लो, साथ साथ I will teach you in the videos. Understand it, go over it. Wonderful. Facts, how do we find a way to remember the facts? That's what I'll teach you कि ये trick है, ऐसे याद कर लो, ऐसे हो जाएगा. Right? So those are the two things we have to figure out for any entrance exam. Right? So that's what you are gonna do. The bottom line is you should be so comfortable with BTR content कि by the time you are near the exam, आपको कुछ रटना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए from this content. And absolutely बुरी तरह नहीं रटना चाहिए. So you should be so comfortable कि वो दिखना चाहिए वो page. That visual memory building is only possible with a concise resource, right? So that's where it comes in handy without any promotional intent at all. I am just telling you as a senior that the moral of the story is that you should have a visual memory and no question that comes from this should be wrong. That's the bottom line which everybody resonates with. Talk to many interviews since INI result. And talk to many toppers since INI results have come out. Everybody says the same thing, that ये image इतना strong होना चाहिए that when you look at that question, that image should come to your mind. You should be able to rule out options. So there are two things which it takes to clear any exam. One is thorough knowledge of the most important content. You can't do everything, but what you are doing, you make sure that you are doing it very, very well. That is the bottom line, everybody. जो कर रहे हो अच्छे से करो. ये नहीं कर रहे कुछ और कर रहे हो. Make sure you don't get a question from that wrong. Then go to the next source. Master one, then go to the next one. The problem is there is so much available now. ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं, ये भी कर लेते हैं. End में याद क्या आ रहा है? कुछ नहीं. So don't fall into this FOMO. Do anything. If you don't want to do BTR, it's fine. You use the guidelines that I'm giving you here and adapt it to whatever is your source. Basically, एक चीज करो, उसको इतना मास्टर करो कि उसके बाद when I go to the next source in 1 minute, right now if you give me any institute, whatever PDF, you give me 5 minutes with that PDF, I'll tell you these are 3 extra points which I have not taught in my class because I know my class very thoroughly, right? So that's how you should be able to pick up extra things. You can only pick up extra things if you have done something very well. Are you understanding the concept of BTR and how it is to be used? It is not your standalone source. I am tired of is BTR enough? It is not enough. It is mandatory. You have to do this much content and then you keep adding up to it. The more you add, the more you fine tune it, the more you master it, the better is your rank. Because I don't know if you want to face it or not, everybody is using it. So it's up to you how well you are going to use it, right? So that is what is what I have to tell you, that you have to do everything that I'm about to tell you, and I'm here with you every step of the way, right? So wherever you feel I can do a better job or you want something else, I'm here for you, right? I'm listening. So that is what we are going to be doing. So I was saying there are two things which it takes to clear an exam. One is the content. So we have our content down. The second is MCQ practice. I think that is where I come in very handy. I feel that I can teach you how to solve questions, because that is what it all boils down to. आप कितना भी पढ़ लोगे, end of the day it's an MCQ exam. If you don't know how to crack questions, especially questions which you don't know, how do I take an intelligent guess? You're not gonna do well, चाहे कितना भी पढ़ लो. You have to take intelligent guesses in the exam, and that's where ENDs come in. This is what I have as a motivation in the beginning, and you can keep going back to this. Today only I was talking to one student and they said that, ma'am, this slide was there in every PDF and every time I used to open, this used to give me hope, So I want to see what happens if I don't give up. So this is a message for everybody who is at a verge of thinking I'm not good enough. Maybe this is what I don't resonate with, and that's fine, right? End of the day, this is an exam. We prepare for it. Sometimes it goes our way, sometimes it doesn't. We learn from our mistakes, we bounce back. It's as simple as that. Don't make your result bigger than an exam result. It's not your definition of success. This is one PG entrance. Life में बहुत exam अभी बाकी है. Okay, बहुत दे के आए हो यहाँ पे. So please don't let any result define you. Okay? If you are an intern right now or with a job, manage how many hours is possible. You can expand this timetable also. अगर इतने टाइम में नहीं हो रहा, add more days, है ना? अपने आप schedule यही रखो, structure यही रखो, but add more days. Right? That's what you can do. What tells you concepts बहुत बेकार है? I think there is a very big myth कि मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स बेकार है तो आई शुड स्टार्ट विथ मेन वीडियोज. एक एक मेन वीडियो देखेंगे तो कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत बढ़िया हो जाएंगे. नो, व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, अगर आपने MBBS में टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं पढ़ा, वो डैमेज इज डन नाउ, राइट? तब आपने नहीं पढ़ाई करी, ठीक है, हो गया, अब क्या करना है ये बोलो. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, सीधा BTR क्लिक नहीं कर रहा, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज मे बी FOSSEE RR, right? Because सीधा BTR करना will not make sense to you. You'll not understand कि मैं इतना squeeze content dense करके क्या बता रही हूँ. So maybe FOSSEE or RR and then CBW देख लो. Then you come to BTR after one more step. Okay, that I feel would be a better fit for you. Because only then will you understand what this one table means. वो one table actually summary है आपके 10 question का. वो but आप समझ ही नहीं पाओगे तभी. So that's why you can come back to it after one source. So ऐसा नहीं है कि 3 महीने बाद, बट साथ साथ सपोज RR देख लिया, HEMAT का, अब BTR देख लिया. So that way I think would help for those of you who feel कि मेरे concept ठीक नहीं है, right? Alright guys, so thank you so much and I'll see you all soon. Thank you, bye.